Myself is Joyce Selva Mary Albert, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, St. Mary's College, Autonomous, Thuthukudi. Today I am going to discuss about diabetes.
What is diabetes? Diabetes cannot yet be cured, but it can be managed. The diabetes is the condition in which the sugar level in the blood is high. When you eat, some of your food is broken down into sugar, also called glucose. Sugar travels in your blood to all of your body cells. Why is insulin important? Insulin helps sugar move from your body into your cell. Insulin is a hormone that is made by beta cells in your pancreas. Cells in your body need sugar for energy. Sugar from food makes your body sugar level go up. Insulin made by beta cells lowers your blood sugar level. Another hormone called glucagon tells the liver to release stored sugar if your blood sugar goes too lower. Another one hormone is involved in the diabetes. When you eat another hormone makes it in the gut called glucagon, like peptide. GLP-1 helps the pancreas to produce the right amount of insulin to move sugar from the blood into the cells. One of the primary action is to stimulate the beta cells in the pancreas to produce insulin when the blood sugar is too high. What happens in diabetes? Two types of diabetes, type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. In type 1 diabetes, the body makes little or no insulin. So people with type 1 diabetes must take insulin every day. Type 1 diabetes is usually diagnosed more often in children and young adults. In type 2 diabetes, the body prevents the insulin it does make from working right. The body may make some insulin but not enough. Most people with diabetes, about 90, have type 2. This kind of diabetes usually happen in the people who are older or those who are overweight. What causes type 1 diabetes? Even though the exact cause is unknown, in type 1 diabetes, the cells from the body immune system attack the insulin, making the beta cells of the pancreas without symptoms or pain. Over a period of months or years, the beta cells are killed. As a result, the body does not have another insulin. Normally, insulin helps the body to take out the sugar cells used the sugar. Without insulin, sugar built up in the blood which can cause blood vessel damage, heart diseases, blindness, kidney failure. To keep things happening, people with type 1 diabetes take insulin daily. What causes type 2 diabetes? Type 2 diabetes usually begins with insulin resistance. This is when the cells can use insulin properly. Insulin is the hormone made by pancreas, a gland near the small intestine. Special cells in pancreas called beta cells make the insulin. The body constantly checks how much sugar is in the bloodstream. When the blood sugar level rises beyond a certain point, the body signals the pancreas to release the insulin. Insulin helps the cell to release sugar. Cell walls have little locks called receptors. Insulin fits into those locks like a key. When insulin opens the lock, sugar is allowed to enter into the cells. When the body is not able to make enough insulin, blood sugar is locked out of the cell. Sometimes the locks changes the shape, then insulin can no longer fit into it. Either way, blood sugar is also locked out of the cell. It stays in the bloodstream and becoming too high, causing hyperglycemia, which leads to the symptoms of diabetes. Diabetes care plan. Taking diabetes medicine, eating a carefully planned diet, exercising regularly, controlling blood pressure and cholesterol, possibly taking aspirin daily. Common signs and symptoms of diabetes: urinating often, being thirsty more often than usual, being hungry more often than usual, unusual weight loss, tired more often than usual, blurry vision, wounds that won't heal, numb or tingling hand or feet, frequent infections. Symptoms of type 1 diabetes can have a faster onset and be more dramatic. Symptoms of type 2 diabetes can be more difficult to detect. High blood sugar, also called hyperglycemic, can happen if you skip a dose of insulin or diabetes pills, eat more than unusual, are less active than unusual, are under stress or sick, or taking certain medication. What is low blood sugar? That is hypoglycemia. Signs and symptoms are being hungry, feeling nervous or shaky, sweating, feeling dizzy, being sleepy, feeling confused. Hypoglycemia can happen if you take certain medicine, eat too carbohydrates or skip or delay a meal, take too much insulin or diabetes pills, are more active than usual.
Hope you have understood the metabolism that takes place in a diabetic patient. Thank you.